this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change this image from this to this. Okay, welcome back to another tutorial and tips and tricks on Photoshop mastering. Still your co-instructor Dr. Don. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to create a reflection in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to create a reflection in Photoshop. So with this image imported, you can import an image of choice and work with it. I could put this image in the resource so that you can download and practice along. So what you need to do right now is, first, we need to create the reflection. So how do you go about it? So first, we need to use this tool. Okay, make sure the rectangular marquee tool is selected. Now on the edge, try to draw this. Perfect. Okay. And down here. Perfect. So after this, all I need you to do is hit on the Command J to create a duplicate from this. Now, after this, Control D to deselect it and Control T to select it. The image still on the layer. Now, all I need you to do, right click and flip this image vertical. Perfect. Now use your move tool. Move this image down here. Just look at this. Perfect. Control T to select the same layer. And let's move it to shift and move this image to the top. Perfect. Perfect. So all you need to do now is make sure this is selected, hold the Alt and create a negative mark. Okay. Do again, click the mask. Click the mask, right? Perfect. But it's not negative. Say Alt mask. Otherwise, this is Option or Alt. So all you need to do is separate this, select this, and apply some motion blur. Okay? Blur, motion blur first, and make sure the blur is around. It's an angle of 90 degrees. Okay. Then the same layer, we can now create another blur. This time, make sure it's around 2. Perfect. So, and you zoom in. If you think this is quite much for you, so I just go to the property. Perfect. We are done. We just create a reflection in Photoshop. So this is how you go about creating reflection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a good rating for the course so that we keep on creating more tutorials for you. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Goodbye.